When autumn rolls around, the pumpkin takes center stage as a symbol of the season. However, beyond its decorative use and popularity in pumpkin spice lattes, this versatile vegetable offers a plethora of health benefits that are worth celebrating. 1. Rich in essential nutrients. Pumpkin is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Notably, it's packed with vitamin A, providing over 200% of your daily recommended intake in just 1 cup of cooked, mashed pumpkin. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low-light conditions. 2. Immune system support. Vitamins C and E, both found in pumpkin, play crucial roles in boosting the immune system. Vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, helping to combat harmful free radicals and protect the body from infections. 3. Heart health. The fiber and potassium content in pumpkin contribute to heart health. Fiber aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and can assist in weight management by providing a sense of fullness. Potassium, on the other hand, helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Antioxidant powerhouse. Pumpkin contains a variety of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which gives it its vibrant orange color. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, prevent cholesterol oxidation, and protect the heart and other organs from damage caused by free radicals. 5. Skin benefits. Beta-carotene not only promotes eye health but also contributes to healthy skin. It acts as a natural sunblock, potentially preventing skin damage from UV rays, and may even help maintain a youthful appearance. 6. Hydration. Pumpkin's high water content helps keep you hydrated, especially in the dry, cooler months. 7. Nutrient-dense snack. Don't forget about pumpkin seeds. They are a nutritious snack packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them an excellent option for on-the-go munching. Incorporating pumpkin into your diet is easy and enjoyable. You can relish it in various dishes, from hearty soups and pies to wholesome smoothies, or simply roast it as a flavorful side dish. This fall, embrace the flavor and reap the rewards of this nutritional gift from nature. Whether you're looking to bolster your immune system, support heart health, or nourish your skin, pumpkin has you covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.